What up, Tube? And good morning, and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Channel Vlogs. Today is Thursday, July 17th, I believe, or it could be 18th. First day back to work. Yesterday was my day off, as you guys see in my vlogs today. I did not work yesterday. We are super short-handed at the barbershop. Right now I'm kind of working with only 3 people. So the numbers are incredible for 3 people. It's just hard work. So, but we've been holding it down. Again, today probably only be 3 of us working. So we're just gonna do what we have to do and hold it down, you know? Like, that's what the barber business is like, guys. It's rare that you're always fully staffed. I mean, at least for me, I mean, it's hard for me to find barbers. If any of you guys know anybody who's already in barber school and is about to come out, lives by me, let me know. I am hiring right now. All right, guys. So today is Thursday, so today we're headed to the shop, get this day started, post up some haircuts. I'm really excited right now because I've gotten the chance to post a lot of haircuts. I mean, not post a lot of haircuts. I mean, to film a lot of haircuts with my, with my Canon camera, which is my good camera. So I have about 3 or 4 haircuts right now that I just need to edit and do my voiceover and then post them. And they're really nice haircuts, and they're all haircuts that I do now with my with the new Walh Cordless Senior. Another thing, Walh Cordless Senior. My review is almost done. I'm just editing it right now. I'm about to drop it. I have a suspicion that it's going to be my best video so far, because I'm giving you guys my honest opinion on that machine. And not only do I give my opinion on it, I also explain to you guys how I use it as far as charging goes. Because, as you guys know, if you're a busy barber, your machine's going to run out of power throughout the day. So there's a system that I use to keep that going. So look out for that review. I'm probably going to drop it on Saturday, because there's a couple of things I want to add to it still. So I just want to make it a good video. I think it's going to be my best video so far. So I'm excited about that video. It's my second review, because I've done a review on the Braun Series 9. And the Braun Series 9 video, shoot, I dropped that one 4 months ago, and it has 20,000 views. So I'm proud of that. 20,000 views. I don't have no videos with 20,000 views. So that's by far my best video so far, and that video still keeps getting a lot of views every month. So I'm hoping that this video is going to be the same, because you know what? I'm giving my honest perspective on this machine, coming from a barber that works with it every single day, and I've been using it 8 hours a day. So I'm giving you my honest opinion on it. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna head to the shop right now. I'm almost there. Get started on this day. I'll post up some cuts today, and we'll see what we can get into, guys. Hey, if you're not at work right now, there's something wrong with you, bro. How are you earning money? How are you living? Come on, you gotta grind out there, baby. Grind. All right, guys, for you that are already at work, grind on. So right now it is 2:50. About 2 more hours left to go on today, guys. It's been super slam busy today. Super slam busy. I don't even know what's going on, but there's only 3 of us working, so I mean it's expected. It's a Thursday and it's super hot out here today. I mean there's a heat wave going on again. It's 95 degrees. It's supposed to be over 100 by tomorrow. So guys, when it is hot, people tend to get haircuts. I don't know how else to say it. You know, if it's gonna be a hot day, then guess what? People are gonna want haircuts, and it's your duty to provide that. You know, you have to be there. It's hot and uncomfortable, but today's been crazy, guys. It's 3 o'clock right now. I checked on the box right now. I got 17 haircuts right now already, and I got 2 more hours to go. So it's been pretty slammed at work. I don't even know how else to put it to you guys. But I got 1 haircut in. I'm gonna try to film 1 more. That we'll throw it on this vlog today, and we'll get into this, and we'll finish off this day strong today. All right, guys. Hey, guys, keep grinding. All right. So that's it for today, guys. Today was a crazy. I'll get this up a little bit. It was a crazy Thursday. I mean, but what I expect, I'm super short-handed. Normally on Thursdays we have 5 guys working. Today we have 3 guys working. So, I mean, it is what it is. We held it down. Alex showed up a little late today, so it was basically me and Tone for the first 3 hours. But we held it down. I mean, I ended up doing 23 haircuts. So 23 is a good, I mean, it's a great day on a Thursday if you ask me, but I don't want to be doing that many haircuts, you know. I really don't. I'm good with 15 or 16, you know, but 23, 20, when it gets into the 20s, that's when you're really tired. And look at me. Now here it's the end of the day, and I still got a full towels, and I got a new register I got to set up for tomorrow, and I'm still not done. It's just, that's what it is when you're the boss, guys. When you're the shop owner. There's no especially stuff like this. I mean, like normally it's kind of my own fault. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's kind of my own fault that I'm folding towels because I haven't got myself another sweeper. You know what I mean? I should already have a sweeper, and I've been lagging and trying to ask somebody to be a sweeper, and it's just, you know, it's just another job that I gotta delegate to somebody. That sometimes it's, you know, I'm the type of person that instead of delegating it out, I just do it myself, you know. And but I mean, eventually I'm gonna get a sweeper, you know. But you know what? By me saying things here on YouTube, the work gets out. So for one thing, tomorrow I have a barber that's gonna come in. He's gonna try out, and we're gonna go from there. And hopefully I got another barber. He says he's not from his area, so he's moving in here. So we're gonna try him out tomorrow and see where we go from there. You know, right now, you know, it's super busy, but I can handle it. But this is not even the busy time. See, let me explain to you guys. Down the street right here, not even a quarter mile away, there's a university. Azusa Pacific University. Okay, that university has 10,000 students. 10,000. Now, those 10,000 students are all gone right now. You know, not all of them are gone. I would say maybe, you know, 2/3 of them are gone right now because it's summertime. They're out of school. But come August, oh my, business is gonna get even better. You know, it gets super busy around here. With the university only a quarter mile away, all the dorm buildings are over here and over here. And then not only that, on the other side of the university is a Citrus College. It's a junior college, which is one of only 3 junior colleges all in San Gabriel Valley, right here. In San Gabriel Valley is a suburb of Los Angeles. So we're blessed, guys. We're blessed with customers, and you know, we do good work, and you know, and you see me, guys. I'm active. I'm active on YouTube. I'm active on Instagram. I'm always putting up videos, and I'm always trying to attract customers here. You know, I'm always trying to bring people into my shop. I always have a theory that if I could get them into my shop, then guess what? I'll get them to come back, because I know the quality of work that we do here, and I know the quality of work that I do. So if I could get them in my chair, 95, I'm not going to say everybody, but okay, I'll say 90% or 80% of them. If I can get 80% of them to come back again, then it's even better. And you know, one thing I always tell a new customer when they come to my shop is I always tell them, hey, if you don't like the way I cut your hair, check out some of these youngsters right here, because they all get down. They all get down. You don't have to wait for me, you know. If you don't want to wait, then go one of the other guys, and they'll hook you up. I guarantee you. Everybody in my shop has to know how to cut hair. It has to know how to cut hair, you know. And I'm not just saying because I'm the best or nothing like that, because I'm not even the best cutter in my shop. I know that for a fact. You know, there's guys in my shop that are better cutters than I am. But you know, it's not just about cutting hair, guys. It's about customer service. It comes to customer service and availability. You know, you need to be there for your customers. You need to be there all the time. You know, if your customer needs a haircut, then you need to be there, because they're not gonna, you know, they're gonna be there for you when you need them, and it's a customer-based business, guys. This is what we're here for. We're supply one thing, and that's to supply haircuts. You know, and then unless you're working at a shop that takes appointments, then guess what? If you work at a shop that needs appointment, then I guess you're doing your, what is it, 16, 15 haircuts a day? Because 8 hours divided by, you know, half hour, if you do a haircut in a half hour, then you're looking at 16 haircuts a day. That's good. That's good money, you know? It's great money. But, you know, like for us here, we work on walk-ins, so, you know, the guys here, they know. If you don't get here on time, if you get here late, you're going to make less than everybody else, you know? It's just a fact of life. So, this day's already over, guys. Tomorrow is Friday. Like I said, tomorrow I got a new guy coming in, and he's going to try out, and man, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. He showed me some pictures of his work, and it looked good. It looked good, you know? And, man, you know, guys, like I always tell everybody, even if a guy is not the best, and I'm not saying this kid isn't, because I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, even if the kid is not the best, you could always get better, you know what I mean? Like, there's always room for improvement. And when you work at a shop that has good cutters, you're going to become a good cutter. Straight up. If you work at a shop that has a bunch of lazy guys that don't want to work, and they're just sitting around and letting customers leave out the door, then guess what? You're going to do the same thing too. You know? Oh, I got an appointment. Okay, then I can't take you. Oh, I'm sorry. And you know, people are going to walk out. You know, that's why I don't like taking appointments, because I don't like people walking out of my shop. When people come get a haircut here, I want them to stay and get a haircut. You know, if you do appointments, a lot of times people are going to walk out. You know? And, but, you know, you have to be, it's all about availability, guys. Availability, you know? If you're not available for your customers, then you're not going to get that job. I feel like I'm rambling on because I'm folding towels, but I'm going to let you guys go. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow's another day. I shall be here. I'm almost done with my cordless review. I think it's coming out pretty good, guys. I'm actually excited about that video. I hope you guys catch that video. I'm gonna film a little intro right now to it, because there's a couple things I wanted to say before I start the video, but I pretty much have it all done. I think I got some good footage of some good haircuts in there showing how that machine works, and I think you guys are gonna like it. But hey, guys, thanks for watching again. Hey, Big Al's Barber Channel is here for you guys. If you guys have any questions or any concerns, or you guys want to know something about owning a shop or about becoming a barber, anything, guys, just let me know. I'm here for you guys, all right? With that, you guys have a blessed night. I'll see you guys mañana.